Guess? No?
Yes, ma'am, but I have drawn this graph in my book.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have written the relation as well?
I wrote TP increases at increasing rate, AP rises. TP begins to rise at diminishing rate, AP is maximum and constant.
Okay. So that means we did this.
Yes,
Others tell me we did this. Jainab, Labiba, Ritika is joining.
yes, ma'am, you had done this, and you had given homework for TP and MP.
Okay, okay.
We did
So
not
we did
draw.
this.
Yeah.
Okay. So all of you draw like you do that, or you want to draw it in the class? Who will tell me?
Teacher, I did not understand how to draw it because
Okay.
I didn't know how
Hmm.
to take the. I did not know what to take on the x-axis. I mean, which numbers.
Okay. So on x-axis, always there will be who's in the waiting room? Sayed. Okay. On the x-axis, always you have to take the variable factor, and over here you have to take TP and MP. You have two choices for this. Either you can draw it like this, or like in the variable. When we were doing the law of variable, right? There we do the graph. This one, right? So you can do this, or you can draw this. It's your choice, right? Over here you have drawn two different graphs. One is for TP and one is for MP, right? And over here in the same graph itself, you have mentioned, see, TP will go like this, okay, and MP will go like this only, right? So it's your choice whether you want to draw it like this or you want to draw it like this. Whatever you feel it's easy for you to remember, you can draw it like that only, like in two different graph or in the single graph. But it will be more convenient, like for TPMP only, you can draw it like this. Or if you want to, like if it is easy for you to draw it like this, you can draw it like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, others? Senana, is it clear now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you people can draw this. Those who haven't done this, I'm giving you 2 minutes to draw this quickly. And then we'll start with the next relationship. And those who have done the homework, you people can revise the relationship till then. We have done 3 relationship, right? TPMP, APMP, and TPAP, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So till then, like those who are done, you can revise your relationship. And others who have not done, like the CP and MP part, you can draw this diagram. Okay. Done, students?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Others? Siona, Labiba, Ritika, Janab.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now coming to relationship. Okay. Now you have one very important concept, which is the relationship between TP, AP, and MP. You know, TP look like this, MP look like this, and AP look like this. Okay. So it will be like you have to now write the relationship. So what is the relationship? When TP increases at increasing rate, MP and AP rises, and at that time MP is greater than AP. Okay, like this. And when TP just begin to rise at the falling rate, or you can just write it like this, that when TP increases at diminishing rate. Okay, because you're already doing diminishing rate, so it will be easy for you. So instead of this, you can write diminishing rate. MP become equals to AP, and here what happens? AP is maximum and constant. Okay, over here AP, like MP was greater than this, but here AP is maximum. Then when TP increases at decreasing rate, MP and AP falls, and now MP is less than AP. When TP is maximum and constant, MP is 0 and AP falls. And over here again MP is less than AP. Then when TP decreases, MP become negative and AP falls. Here also MP is less than AP. Clear? Students, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, of course, learning the relationship is very much important. But what you will do first, you will draw it, and when you are writing it, na, just check it. See, first is when TP increases at increasing rate, MP and AP rise. So you can see TP is increasing at increasing rate. At that time, AP is also increasing and MP is also increasing, right? And over here you can see MP is greater than, because MP is above AP, so MP is above than AP, right? You cannot learn the relationship, but you can learn the diagram, and according with the help of diagram you can make the conclusion, right? By looking here you can see TP is increasing, MP is increasing, AP is increasing. Okay, now over here what is AP is greater or MP is greater? So ma'am, looking at the graph, MP is greater than AP because MP is above than AP, right? Coming to the second one, it is like when TP is just begin to rise at the diminishing. Now you can say that TP is increasing but at diminishing rate, right? So over here you can see this point MP is equals to AP now, right? And here AP is maximum, right? And constant. So when AP is equals to MP, at the time this is maximum and constant, and after this AP will start falling. That's why it is maximum. For example, I'm eating something. So it's like I ate 1 chapati, 2 chapati, 3 chapati, 4 chapati, 6 chapati. That's it. 6 was the maximum, and after that, if I eat something, I may vomit. Okay, or maybe my stomach like is not good. It will be not in a good condition, right? So this is what. So you, whenever you are writing, first you will draw it like this. After that, once you are writing it, just check with the graph whether the graph is in a good way, like you are getting the things or not. Okay, it's not like randomly copying down. You in the class you have to learn as well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, others, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can draw it and then I'll show you the relationship.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay, I hope everyone is done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now basically that's it for our chapter. Okay. This was the only thing which we have to do in this chapter, entire chapter. Now we will be practice few questions for this chapter. Okay. So you can quickly revise your formulas because on as those who joined late, I already told you that I'll be taking your test for this production chapter on Saturday. Okay. So nobody will be absent. Okay. And especially Sayed and Siona, like, do you have your schools tomorrow?
No, ma'am, mine
No,
is
ma'am.
only next week,
Okay.
the second.
Okay. So can I take your class in the morning, like morning, not in the afternoon or somewhere like around
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
okay, Sayed, what about you? You have some plans or something?
No, ma'am. You can take the
Oh,
class.
okay. So like Sayed, what is the time difference between IST and your place?
It's 1 hour.
It's 1.5. It will be like you are from
Saudi.
2.5. Okay, you both from Saudi, so 2.5 for Siona as well and for you.
No, ma'am. I'm from Abu Dhabi. It's only 1.5 an hour difference.
Okay,
But
okay.
it's
So
okay.
that means okay, you will be calculating it, then I'm sharing
Yeah.
Indian time with you. Okay, so I am planning to take your class at 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock will be I think early for you. 2 o'clock. Is it fine?
2
So
o'clock
accordingly you can
IST,
adjust.
right?
Yeah, 2 o'clock IST. So that means
For me, it's 3:30, and for him, it is 5, I guess.
no. We Indian time is ahead. So
Oh, okay. Okay.
mhm.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's Indian time is ahead. So I hope Sayed you are okay with this.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
2 o'clock.
fine with
So
that.
that is 12:30. I think 11, 1:30. Oh,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
no, 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 11:30 something. Just calculate it. Okay. So 2 o'clock IST, I'll take your class. Okay. Or if you want to keep at 3, we can even keep at 3 as well. Whatever suits you.
No problem, ma'am. If you take early, it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, because that means if I'll take early, na, then you'll be free. You can do your things after that.
Yes.
Right? So at 2 o'clock IST, let's just keep it. Okay, I'll just mention the things, others I'll just forget it. Okay, so 2 o'clock tomorrow, I'll just take your class. Okay, so we will be doing indifference curve as well as the numericals for the price elasticity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start with the questions. Mm-mm-mm. Just tell me in case you have repeated the question. Okay. In case we are repeating it. Okay. So let's just start from downwards. So it will.
Ma'am, for my distance exam, like in this chapter, we only
Mhm.
have till causes of diminishing returns to a factor. Like I'm not learning about the AP, TP, and MP.
Okay. Okay. You are not learning. Okay. So that.
No, ma'am.
Okay. That's good for you. So you are like you for this time being you can skip it and like it will be for your future terms. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can solve it. Okay. So
Yes,
that will
ma'am.
be a addition for you. Okay. So students, are you getting the questions? Right? So you will solve first, second, third, fourth, 5. You have 5 questions. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
start from fifth question. I just want you to do the fifth question first. Okay. Do the fifth question and then we'll do the next question because they are somewhere similar. But this question is very important. And see, whenever you are getting TPP, APP, it is only product, right? So don't think like that. Oh my God, we never heard APP. We only heard AP. It is same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It is like total production product. Okay, average production product. So they are same, but yeah, they have just added the word production. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can quickly solve this.
Ma'am, is units produced variable factor?
The variable factor.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so I hope everyone is done. So let's just check the answers quickly. So the first, it's a little bit blur, but I can help you do. So I hope you got it 100, 240, 420, and 480. 100,
This is
120,
the fifth. We were
fifth.
supposed to do the fourth or fifth?
Fifth.
Oh,
You did fourth?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, no issues, no issues. So, okay, you did fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, 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 no issues. So those who did this, you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what you can do? Now you people will do fourth, and Siona, you will do fifth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, so I hope both everyone done. So let's just check the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's correct.
Same. Okay, it's blur. Let me just read it 20, 22, 18, and I think it's 16, and then 14, then 20, 21, 20, 19, and 18. Those who did fourth one, is it correct for you people?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Ma'am,
yes, yes, yes.
ma'am,
Mhm.
in that AP, the first one also we write as 20.
It's your choice. You can either write 20 or you can write dash. It's your choice.
Okay.
Okay, but never write 0. Okay.
Okay.
You have two choices, go for 20 or go for dash, but never go for this. 0 1. Okay. Usually what people do, for example, what your question was starting from 1, right? So at that time, if it is starting from 1 to any number, then you can write 20, like whatever the first number is. But in case if it is starting from 0, then just leave it at this dash.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is what you can do. Like if it is number, write the same number, but if it is 0, then write the dash. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And I also have one more doubt in the
Yes.
answer.
Hmm.
The 1, 2, 3, fourth, fourth question, the
Hmm.
fourth MP. Is it no
It is
MP?
19. MP. Okay. It is, I think, 16.
Ma'am, but I'm getting 4.
4?
I don't know. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't know. I can't see it. Can anyone tell me what you got? Let's just check it.
Ma'am, 16 only.
Yes, 16.
16. Huh? Okay.
Ma'am, could
So
you
how come you're,
explain?
yeah, okay. So you got 18 here. Okay. So what you have in the fourth question? Hmm. This one you are talking about, the fourth one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to find AP or MP?
MP.
MP. Okay. So what is MP basically?
MP is equal to change of TP by VF.
Okay. So if you are doing change of TP, so what is change of TP? 60
So
to
is the
76. What is
yes, ma'am.
16?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
And what is the change of this? 1,
one. Oh,
right? You wrote 4, right?
yes.
Yes. It's not change. It's only a unit variable, right? So
Okay,
change is only 1. From 3 to 4, it is 1, right?
okay, ma'am.
Or in case if you get confused, so at that time you can even check it. MP is basically TPN and TPN minus 1. So 76 minus 60. So you got 16,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
That also. Okay. Now everyone will do the third question.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Suren, now you will do the second one.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so now you will do the first one as well. Then I'll show the answers.
Ma'am, could you repeat what you just said?
Yes, now you have to do the first one. Then, like, once you are done with 1, 2, 3, like third you have done, second you have done, the first one, then I'll show you the answers for it all. Okay?
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay. Okay, students. So let's just check. I hope everyone is done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So coming to first one, your answers are 20, 30, 38, 44, and is it 48? What you got?
Yes, ma'am. 48.
Okay. Then over here, 20, and then 0.5.
15.
Okay, 15. And then 12.6.
Yes, ma'am.
And then,
11.
okay, then,
9.6.
yes. Others?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay. Second one, it's quite blurrish. Even I am feeling like I'll get blind after seeing this. Okay. Others? Yeah, first one.
10.
Hmm.
24.
Hmm.
42.
Hmm.
80.
Hmm.
120.
Good. And MP?
10.
Hmm.
14.
Hmm.
18.
Hmm.
38.
Hmm.
And 40.
Okay, good. And this third one?
20.
Hmm.
36.